week on the show, I was asking people what subject traumatized them when they were in high school. And a lot of people mentioned maths, further maths, they mentioned physics, chemistry. And I want to hear your thoughts. What comes to your mind when you hear people say that, science traumatized me when I was in high school, or maths was a problem for me growing up? Do you feel that, or do you feel that the fear and this dislike of mathematics and science in Nigeria, is it cultural? Is it systemic? Or is it something that is a result of how the subjects were taught in the country?
Yeah, thanks for that. So when I hear people say mathematics or even the sciences have traumatized them, what comes to my mind is not that they were incapable. Because I had the opportunity to have been able to learn from Nigeria, UK, studied in Canada, so I've seen different cultures. And I understand that one of the core things was that they were mismatched with the wrong teaching approach. So for example, most of us didn't hate mathematics. We hated being confused publicly in class. Nobody wanted to look like they weren't smart. So when maths came forward, everyone avoided it because it makes you look confused. And we're taught maths like an exam room that we need to survive from. So we basically learn certain formulas, learn how to use it and solve problems with it. But we never really use it as a tool to solve real life problems. And science was presented like a theory for you to memorize. So we're focusing on remembering rather than understanding.
Wow.
So when kind of, as humans, we like to be curious. And that was something that we did not have the opportunity to expatiate on or to nurture. So in countries where children excel, math is introduced through storytelling, through play, through real life problems. But we learned it as a punishment. And that's where the trauma came from, not actually the subject itself.
I mean, you just explained my life in 2 sentences. I'm not going to lie to you, because I remember in class they would give us a really good, a really simple classwork. And when we get to homework, you understand, they ask you when you're in class, like, if you have 2 apples or you have 2 apples, right? How many have, if I take one away, how many apples will you have left? And it's simple, you say 1. By then, for assignment, you say if you have 2 apples, find the circumference of the radius of the perimeter that leads to x minus y. And I'm like, wait, how did we come about this? I didn't hear this in class.